Take a look at this tiny scratch on a Teflon pan. It's smaller than a human hair, but it's exactly through it that forever chemicals get into your breakfast. Today we'll break down what Teflon pans do to your body and why the cookware industry hid this for 50 years. We're used to food not sticking. But what's the price? Right now, a substance that didn't exist in nature before the 1940s is flowing in the blood of 99% of people on the planet. This is a story about how one convenient purchase can reprogram your hormonal system. And believe me, the final fact about safe alternatives will make you audit your kitchen today. Teflon, PTFE, is a byproduct of military developments that was never meant to end up in the kitchen. A brief history of Roy Plunkett. The substance is so slippery that even radiation doesn't stick to it. It was used in the Manhattan Project. But as soon as this military plastic ended up on your stove, a problem arose. How do you make it stick to metal if nothing sticks to it? To glue Teflon to the pan, PFOA-free was used. It's a molecular binder. As long as the pan is new, everything is fine. But as soon as the temperature exceeds 260 degrees Celsius. Did you know that a regular gas burner heats an empty pan to this point in just 2 minutes? And this is where the scariest part begins. When Teflon overheats, it releases an invisible gas. For humans, it feels like a severe Teflon flu. But for pet birds die instantly. Their lungs simply burst from the fumes of an overheated pan in the next room. If it kills a canary in seconds, what does it do to your lungs over 10 years? Let's be real. PFOA is called forever because it has no half-life in nature. Imagine PFOA as a biological Velcro. Once in the body, it mimics fatty acids. Your liver mistakes it for something its own and sends it into the bloodstream. It doesn't get eliminated. It accumulates. Studies link PFOA accumulation to kidney cancer, testicular cancer, and most frighteningly, suppression of the immune response in children. You literally become less protected from viruses because of an omelet. You go to the store and see the label PFOA-free. Do you feel safe? You shouldn't. By 2026, we know the truth. The industry simply replaced one letter with another. Now they use GenX or other PFAS. The structure is almost identical. The same risks, the same problems, just a different name for regulators. It's a chemical game of hide and seek, where your endocrine system is at stake. So what does Teflon do to the body? It creates background inflammation and disrupts the hormonal balance that nature built over millions of years. Does that mean you should throw everything away and eat raw? No. But it does mean it's time to return to honest materials. Cast iron, stainless steel, or high-quality PFAS-free ceramic. Yes, you need to get used to them, but they're not trying to poison you. If the fact that pan fumes can kill birds in another room made you think about the safety of your kitchen, hit like. This will help the algorithms show this video to those who are still frying on peeling Teflon. Take care of yourself and your microbiome. Subscribe to the channel. Here we uncover the hidden science of your everyday life every week. See you in the next episode.